Hello everyone, today we are going to witness how to remove the green screen from a video. So we are taking up a new project. Here we learn into the Premiere Pro. So we are going to get a sequence. We can go to the top and get a file. We can take a sequence from here, and or else we can go to the bottom, click sequence, and then we can come to the settings and we can take RE Cinema and then 30 frames and 1920 and 1080 is our default setting. We are going to drag and drop the file, and here it goes. So we are going to bring it to the timeline, so we can see it's a thunder lightning effect with a green screen. So we are going to resize it. We are scaling to the frame size, and now let us set the timeline. Okay, so this is basically a default timeline, and now we're going to cut the we're going to trim. At the search bar we are going to search for the ultra key, and let's see the effect, and I'm going to drag and drop the ultra key. Let's close all other tabs, and over the ultra key I'll take the picker tool and click on the green. Boom, it's gone. So this is how we use ultra key to remove the green screen from in a Premiere Pro project. So in case if you are using After Effects, then we will be using Rotobrush. Thank you, have a good rest of the day, bye.